I am very glad to be joined today by so many wonderful dignitaries. Of course, Dr. Martell led the tour that I received of this vaccination site here for the entire community here at Auburn High. And she's doing a terrific and amazing job of leading in a very difficult time. No one was prepared for a pandemic. No one. And yet a number of people, including Dr. Martell, really have stepped up to protect the health and safety of people in their communities. Jennifer Keffer, the principal of Auburn High, I want to recognize your terrific state senator, Steve Stottleman, and his excellent counterparts in the House of Representatives, Maurice West and Dave Vella, and to the new Winnebago County Board Chairman, Joe Chiarelli. Congratulations, and I know that the county is in good hands with you at its head. Auburn High School is today serving as a mobile vaccination distribution site for hundreds of staff at Rockford Public Schools. Getting our kids back in school and keeping them and the school staff safe is a high priority for me. By prioritizing them for Phase 1B, ACIP and the CDC recognized how important that is too. According to the New York Times yesterday, most states have yet to fully embrace that recommendation, but Illinois is proud to do so. As a state, we continue to achieve new milestones in our vaccination infrastructure. Just last Monday, we became the 6th state to surpass 1 million doses administered, and we're one of the top states in the nation in the number of daily doses administered. And I'm very proud to make some news this morning. Yesterday, Illinois set a new record by administering 75,000 vaccinations statewide. We're able to do that because in addition to the impressive operations here at Auburn High, we have hundreds more vaccination sites operated by our other 97 local public health departments and by our pharmacy partners. That includes Walgreens and Walmart, Jewel Osco, Hy-Vee, and more. We added 80 more sites just yesterday. And I'm excited to announce that we have the Illinois National Guard teams scheduled to come to Winnebago County later this month to expand daily vaccinations even further. We continue to update the coronavirus.illinois.gov website with the latest vaccination locations locally as well as statewide so that our residents can connect with convenient options as quickly as our state receives more vaccine. But remember, there isn't enough vaccine being delivered to us by the vaccine manufacturers that are providing it right now. In Illinois, they're not delivering it. In other states, anywhere in the country, they're not delivering enough to vaccinate everyone in the Phase 1B even. So because of that, it will be of weeks before all of those who are eligible will be able to get it yet. I advocated to the new president to invoke the Defense Production Act so that more vaccine would be manufactured and distributed to the states, and President Biden listened and did just that. And I'll continue to make my voice heard by the federal officials who are in charge of vaccines so that Illinoisans who want to get vaccinated can do so more quickly. There is hope ahead, though. Just yesterday, the FDA announced that it has put a date on the calendar later this month to review for potential approval the new Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which in its trials provided 85% protection against severe illness and 100% protection against death in its clinical trials. It's a one-dose vaccine, which makes it easier to administer. People don't have to come back for a second appointment, and that's very important. I hope that we'll see this third vaccine in the supply pipeline not too many weeks from now. In the meantime, we need to be patient. We need to wear our masks. We need to follow the mitigations as we await more vaccine shipments so that we can all be safe and healthy and get to the end of this pandemic together.